Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad FAAIZ bin JAZULI. I am from A4CS2304B. So this is our croquet system. So first I will log in as admin. This is login as page. So put the username admin. So put the password. So click login button. So this is homepage of admin, which shows the statistic and the post. So I will click the navigation bar. So click about. So at about, it shows about our so this is our group members, and this is how our system came up. So I will go back to the main page, and there's so this is the post that have been already in our system. So I will try to add the new post. So the title here is this, and so I will set the content is this. So when I posted it says successful. Then I go back and see the post has been in this step. So I click view. So yes, this is inserted in the database successfully.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZUMIERA BITI ZAMRI. First of all, I would like to thank to my groupmate FAAIZ for letting me to continue this presentation. So next, I would like to present about how did admin view and delete the post. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a post that had been added by my friend FAAIZ just now. So admin can click on this view button to view the post. So when admin click on it, you can see that there is the title and also the content of the post. Okay, so next is how did admin delete the post. So as we can see here, there is a delete button here. So when admin click on it, it will automatically be removed from the system. Okay, so let's proceed to how did admin update the cases daily. Okay, so you can see here, okay, this is the cases from yesterday cases, and this is the update button. So when admin click on it, okay, it will redirect to this page, and you can see that there are some text area that needs to be filled by the admin. So I would like to proceed to the latest or the current cases. Okay, so when admin click on the update button, you can see that it's stored here and also being submitted to the user's homepage. Okay, next is how did admin view all the comments from the user. So there is a navigation bar here. When we click it, we can see that is a comments button, and when we click it, we can see all the comments from the user being displayed in this page. Okay, there is the email of the users and also the comments. This comments is very important for us to know because we need to improvise our system. Okay, I think that is all about admin system. So if we are done, admin just can simply log out from the system. Just click on the log out button, and we will be redirected to the first page of the system. Okay, so I think that's all. I would like to pass this presentation to my friend IZZATI to let her present about user system.
Hi, IZZATI here. So we proceed to user. As you can see, this is the first page of user to log in and register. We have two buttons. First is log in, the second one is register. To log in, we need to have an account first, so we click here. We register first. For example, we register as Nurul 12, enter the email. Email get valid. Nurul@gmail.com and enter phone number 0123243445. Enter any password and click register. You have successfully registered. Click OK and then click login button. Enter the username that we create just now, Nurul12, and the password. Click login. So this is the main skills of user. Here we have the latest cases in Malaysia, the infected, recovered and death. We have the introduction, the tags, and the conversation. So here is the topic that highlighted by the admin, COVID-19. It shows the overview of the COVID-19. What is a COVID-19 actually? So it's stated here. Next, the symptoms. It will explain to us the common symptoms and other symptoms of COVID-19. So by reading this, we can know more about COVID-19. And this is the list of advice to public. For example, here we have clean our hands, social distancing, wear a mask. We also have the infographic attached together with the information. Such a interesting and useful information here. So when we click this icon, it will show about information this for COVID-19. So we go to it for COVID-19 first. We can take the test to know what is our level of risk towards a novel coronavirus. So let's find out by start. Okay, first, do you have a fever? Body temperature more than 37.5 degrees Celsius? No. Okay, next, do you experience difficulty to breathe? For example, shortness of breath, hard to inhale or exhale? No. Next, do you have a cough? No. Next, do you have a sore throat? No. In the last 14 days, have you traveled internationally? No, too. Have you have a close contact with confirmed COVID-19 patient? No. Okay, the statement will show here. Based on your answer, your risk for COVID-19 is very minimal at this moment. This is because my score is 0, means I don't have any symptoms that at least with the question before. So let's see if we have more than 3 symptoms. What will be the message here? Let's repeat. Do you have fever? Yes. Do you experience difficulty to breathe? Yes. Do you have a cough? Yes. Do you have a sore throat? Yes. This in the last 14 days, have you traveled internationally? No. Have you had close contact with a confirmed COVID-19 patient? Yes. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, my score is 5, so it will show the message. Based on your answer, you may be highly risk that you may have been exposed to COVID-19. Please seek for local health authority for further verification. So this will make us notified about our current level of risk. Next, we go to homepage. This is information about COVID-19. They list all here, all information here. You can know they will update the information here. They will update information here to keep it up to date. So next is about. So this is about the core care online system. It will tell us briefly about this website. And this is the team that developed this website. Okay, I think that's all for users. You can log out.
So this is the source code for our system. So first is login as.php, which is related to the login as page. So here with us there will be login as admin and login as user. Then this is login form for user, and this is for registration. And this is for login for admin. So next is login.php, which is for connecting the database with the login. So next is menu admin, which is related to the homepage of the admin. It shows the admin page and about and add new posts and update latest cases and comments and logout. It also shows the number of the statistic of the COVID-19. So next is menu admin CSS. Here we go as fast as I can. Next is about admin. This is for about page. So we click from admin. This will display about our info. And add post.php. This using for adding posts to the system. So here add a new post content. This later we connect to the connect add post. So here the connect add post.php. This will input the data into the database. Then last is database.php, which is to connect all of the system with the database.
Okay, next let's proceed to the coding of the admin system. So this is the main page coding. Okay. So this is the manual admin.php, where this is the coding to implement the main page system for the admin. Okay, so this is how we create the navigation bar. Alright. Next is this is how we retrieve the latest cases for infected, death, and also recovered cases. So we need to connect with the database file and then do the MySQL statement. Okay, we did it to the trio of the attribute, which is the infected, recovered, and also death. Alright, so this is how we retrieve and display it in the page. Alright, and then next is how we post or how we display the title of the post that admin had added, and also create the delete and the view button. Okay. So next is the view post. This is the coding for view post when admin click on the view button. Okay, as you can see that this is how we retrieve back the data from the database. Alright, so don't forget about the connection of the database file and also the MySQL statement. Okay, and this is the for title and this is for content. So this is how we retrieve the data from the database. Alright, next is the delete post.php. This is what happened when admin click on the delete button on the page and the post had removed by the system. So this is how we do it. Okay, so this is how we retrieve back the data at the beside of the text area. Okay, we have for infected, recovered, and also for that. Okay, next is display comment.php. Okay, this is how we just like retrieve the user email and their comments to the admin page. So this is how we do it. Okay, please don't forget to connect the database file and also do the correct MySQL statement. Okay, this is how we like retrieve and display the data from the database. Okay, so lastly is the logout session, where when admin click on the logout button, the session will be destroyed. So this is the coding. Okay, next I would like to give this presentation to IZZATI for explaining the coding for the user system.
Okay, we proceed to coding for user. This is login as.php. Here we have the login form. Here we have the register form. This is login user.php to connect the database. When user login, you will select from user. This is register user.php. This is connection to database when user register an account. This is connection to database when user create an account. Nah, this is menu.php. This one this is for main page coding, and this is menu user.css. This is coding to style the main page, the menu.php. Post user.php. This is coding to list all the posts added by the admin. This is index.php. This is coding for the test survey. This is question.php for insert all the question to the database. This is result.php this is coding for the result after we answered the survey. Process.php is for process in the survey. About.php is coding for about website and about developer. Add comment.php is coding for the comment section. So it will connect to connect comment.php. This is the connection, connect comment.php. When the user adds any comment, so it will use this connection. So the last one is the logout coding. That's all from us. Thank you.